Welcome back everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to easily connect your PS4 controller to your Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. And yes, it works in 2025. I have the Galaxy Tab A7 right here, but long as your Android tablet supports Bluetooth, you should be good to go. Let's get started. First, open the settings on your tablet. We're going to tap on connections, then find Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now turn on your PS4 console and make sure your controller is powered on. Once it's on, press and hold the PlayStation button and then share the button together. Hold them down for a few seconds and until you see the light on the controller start flashing quickly. This means the PS4 controller is in pairing mode. Now don't worry if you think you missed the timing, just keep the holding the buttons until you see the blinking light. Once that's done, head back to the Bluetooth settings on your tablet. You'll see your PS4 controller listed there under wireless controller. Tap on it. Now tap C OK to pair it. And boom, your PS4 controller is connected. You'll see a blue light on the controller indicating it's paired. I can now control my tablet with the controller. You can navigate the device with D-pad and use the circle button to go back. It's pretty cool. But keep in mind, it's not really practical to use your controller to general device navigation. However, you can use it for gaming. For example, Xbox Remote Play works and you can even play Minecraft with it. Some games are fully supported, like Call of Duty, but games like PUBG or Fortnite should work fine too. Just keep in mind that not every game supports controllers yet, so I recommend you to try it out. If it works, great. If not, no big deal. Alright, that's all for today's video. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.